Hey, so I am with a pretty incredible team down in the Newcastle region today, and I would love to talk a little bit around their experience with Tapi so far. So, do you just want to introduce yourself and tell us a little bit around what you guys do down there?
Yeah, thanks, Anna. So my name's Nathan. I'm the Director of Property Management at Love Property Group. We look after about 1,350 odd properties. So we were looking for a solution to our maintenance, our repairs problem that we had. And we certainly found that in Tapi. Tapi has given us I guess an opportunity to connect with our clients a little bit better, have a clearer conversation flow with our tenants particularly, and also reduced our workflow in terms of with those tenants being able to troubleshoot and use that Autobot guide. So it's dramatically reduced the intensity in our repairs team.
That is so good to hear. And I think what's really awesome is that you guys have actually only been using Tapi for a week.
Yeah.
And to be able to see that much of a dramatic difference, I mean, what's incredible with the way that your team works is that you've got this absolute weapon, Jason, who sort of spearheads your maintenance processes. So you've got a gun in there already. But for you to be able to see a dramatic difference like that in a week, that's pretty exciting to me. I'd love to just really quickly ask you a little bit around what the sort of rollout process was like and how your team felt during those few days that we worked together.
Yeah, for sure. So I'll start at the back end and go backwards. We felt really confident with the process. So the process was amazing from the start. With talking to Taylor over in the initial phases when I was having the negotiations with Taylor about bringing it on, all the way through to when you arrived in our office. And I guess the thing about that is having people to talk to is key, because quite often with programs, and we've rolled out, as you know, quite a large rollout over the last 12 months with different plugins and tech that we introduced into our business. And this particular rollout was simply the easiest, and it was the easiest because we had people to talk to. We were connected to to the trainer. We're connected to the process really, really well. And also the system's easy. The system itself is easy to understand. So yeah, for us, really trouble-free, and I'd highly recommend Tapi to be rolled out in every office across the country.
Well, we love working with you. Thank you. And I honestly can't wait to see what this is all going to be looking like in 3 months, 6 months. Thanks, guys.